All right, Julie, you got yours? You gonna know y'all hold it? Me and Nami?
Yeah.
Come on, Nami. All right, it's over here. All right, guys, come on. Let's show yours.
Mine.
Hold it together.
Mine.
Oh.
Soda.
All right, guys. We got our pink glow in the dark glue. And here's our bucket. What do you guys have?
Glitter glue.
Okay.
Oh, dude. Glitter slime glue.
All right. So y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. Put y'all's in. We open ours.
How do we get this slime off of us? With water. With a tape.
Squeeze it harder. Squeeze it. All right, you get the top, I get the bottom. Okay. Let's make a smiley face. Y'all want to make a smiley face too? Oh, I don't think I can do it.
You can make it sound. I'm gonna make the shade.
Sure.
Yeah,
Squeeze it. This is hard to squeeze. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
If we
Oh,
need your help.
y'all got some strong muscles. Make sure you get in the corner, guys. We
This is so hard.
birthday cake's hard.
Only can do it.
Y'all me help them?
Ouch. Ah! Okay, glitter.
Oh, this look good. Sorry, no.
Little turns.
That's enough? Keep going.
No, keep going.
Keep going. Let's keep going. I'll do both.
Wait, then you put it and make it yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Okay.
Or gold.
Go. It makes me get it.
I'm tired. I'm tired now. All right, let's get the mixing. Okay, you.
Still a little bit.
All right, you want to mix ours? Come on, let's mix.
I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. Am I right here with me?
All right, we're taking ours out the bucket. Sorry, move the bucket down. Move that bucket for me. Move the bucket, yeah. Put it on the floor. Does it see me?
Dude, you're making me put a...
Yeah, go. Yeah, it's sticky. Pour some more, Nami. Pour some more. Yeah, put some more. Yeah, put y'all on the table.
I think we want to make it.
Yeah, more.
We don't want to make it sticky. We want to make ours fluffy.
Huh, you can't squeeze it?
And we want to make ours so it don't stick on the table. I'm just a baby.
Just a baby?
Notch. You did it. Oh, it's your turn to sit to the table. But does it feel fluffy? Yeah. Feel like awesome fluffy. I get.
Look what we did.
Oh, hey, I want to do that.
I'm open your house.
Wait, cool.
There you go, Mama. Let's do it. Good, man?
Yeah.
Like bubble gum. Oh.
You.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Get that little bit off her arm there.
Let me get that little bit off your arm.
Wait, it makes it
Over
not.
On the other side.
Daddy,
Other side, give me your
it
arm.
makes it not
That's when it
chitty.
starts slamming down.
Daddy, it makes it not chitty no more.
It's not?
No, yeah. We're getting off.
Oh, wow.
Get it off. Get it off. It's being yellow. Oh, I had it on my pants.
Oh, yeah. That look good, man?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. slime
Yeah,
ball.
I'm doing this
To make a
one.
bubble.
I'm doing this one and you doing the back one. Pop. That didn't pop. That didn't pop. I didn't pop. Oh no! I want to put ours in the table.
Come on.
Okay, we can pull it. Are you talking about glue, Daddy? Are you talking about glue?
Yeah.
So I'm talking about a blue glitter.
All right, no, just
You
help
bought
you.
a blue glitter,
Help
that was
you.
cool. Oh! Y'all want to mix ours together? No. If we mix ours together, then I'll be going to be angry. No, you're not. Like a
Yeah.
bubblegum flavor.
Flavor.
Like pink.
Move your bucket, no.
I'm right here.
Move it. Move it out the way.
A little bit doning. A little bit doning right here.
Look at me. Matt. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all want to mix it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's mix it, see what it's going to look like. Go ahead. Everybody take their hands in. There you go.
This is a Miss Yellow team.
Yes. Oh, wow. Put it back in the middle. Oh.
I don't know. I don't know if we're going to put that on my dress.